Hi, and welcome back to another ICRS training video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create a survey from start to finish. This tutorial is for anyone with a subscription, so Basic, Basic Plus, and Pro. I'll be using a Pro account in this tutorial. And so one thing to keep in mind is if you are not a Pro subscriber, you're not going to be able to search for projects. So you'll have to keep up with your projects within your email. But you can still create a survey at any subscription level. Okay, so I've already created a project with which I want to add a survey to. So I'm going to search for that project in the project tab by using the ShipO project number that it was assigned. I'm going to go to that project number. Here we have all of our already submitted project details, like the photos, attachments, and the GIS. And then we need to create some project surveys. And that is what we're going to do by hitting New Survey. Okay, so here's our demo project. We're just going to title it Salmon River Survey Demo for Survey Tutorial. Okay, 2024 is our year. The organization project number, as I mentioned in a previous video, is related to your agency's internal numbering system. So it's not super important for ShipO, but if you have something, you're welcome to put it here. You can also choose keywords if you like. They might include things like architecture, material culture. If you type in a letter, it'll usually come up with something for you. So I know we have rock art or rock shelter as an example. And you can be as detailed as you need to based off of the report. I'm good with those. And then we're going to upload a PDF attachment for our survey documentation. Just going to upload that to proceed to the next step. And then it's going to ask us to do some GIS. Now for a survey, it's very likely that you already have shape files. And instead of having to draw them all over again using the Draw a Shape tool, I'm going to show you how to upload a shape file that is already in existence. That way you don't have to do the same thing twice. I'm going to grab that zipped shape file and hit open. And now it's going to zoom to the map where the shape is. So you can see it's this orange polygon right here. And it's going to ask you for a map method. So we're going to put imported data from GIS or CAD. And then we have to fill out the survey class. Now there is very detailed information on which survey class is which in our website under ICRS guidance. And you can find a table describing each of the classes. For our purposes here, we actually have 2 polygons. But first it's asking me for this one here. Or these 2 polygons here. And so for this, I'm just going to say this was a class 2 inventory. So an archaeological survey, but not quite as intensive as class 3. And then it'll actually let you go ahead and choose a class for the other shape. So again, we'll hit imported data from GIS or CAD, and we'll choose class 3. And then we update the survey shape. And there we have all of our polygons and their survey class. Next, we'll hit next. And here we can see it automatically calculated intensive acres versus reconnaissance acres. It already calculated which quad it's in and which TRS section it's in. So now we can hit submit if we make sure everything is correct. And our survey has been created. So now it will take us back to the project that we created the survey for. All right, thank you for watching this video. There will be more coming, so please stay tuned.